This is M4, June 2016, question 11. We have 5 identical rectangles that fit together as shown, and we have to work out what is the total area covered by the rectangles. We're not allowed to use a solution by trial and improvement. We have to show it working out. We don't know anything about the lengths or widths, so let's call them, let's define them. Let's call the width x and the length y. This means that this will also be y, this will be y, this would be x, this would be x, this would be x, and y and x. So how can we use this information? Well, we know that the base there is 20 across. So that 20 is equal to the x plus the y. So we can say that x plus y is 20. And then as well as that, if you notice, the left hand side we've got 2y and the right hand side we've got 3x. They're the same length. So actually 2y is the same size as 3x. So y would actually be 1.5 x's. So when we say that x plus y is 20, we're actually saying x plus another 1.5 x's is 20. Because if y is equal to 1.5 x, then we can change the y to be 1.5 x. We can then solve this equation on the left hand side. First of all, simplify. X plus 1.5x would be 2.5x equals 20. So then our x would be 20 over 2.5, which is the same as 40 over 5. 40 divided by 5 is 8. So x is 8. That means that y would be 1.5 times 8, which is 12. So what's the area of this shape? Remember that x is 8 and y is 12. So if x is 8, we would have 3 8s at the side. So 3 times 8 is 24. And then along the bottom is 20. We know that. So it's 20 times 24 to get the area, which would give you 480.